How to change location on Google Business. Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can change location on Google Business. So follow me as I put you through the processes. Now the first step is to log in into your Google Business account, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you'll see edit profile, read reviews, manage, add photo, performance, advertise, manage photos, add updates, Q&A, pick up and delivery, edit products, food ordering. And by the time you scroll down, you would see more details about the business, which include your business name as well as the location, which is also the address. Now, if you want to change the location, there are two ways. The first way is by going to your profile, all right, by clicking on edit profile. And then once you click on edit profile, you'll be directed to the business information page. On this page, to change it, just select the location tab. Once you select it, click on it. And once you click on it, you can now see business location here. And to edit this, just click on the pencil icon. And then once you click on the pencil icon, scroll down. Oh, let's go back. Edit profile, right? Location, pencil. And then once you selected it, scroll down until you see the option of the country, street address. You can decide to add street line if you want, local government, city, postcode, and then once you are done editing it, click on save, and just like that, the location would be changed. So this is how we can change location on your Google Business profile. Very simple and direct. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.